How to fix error code 0x80072EE4 when trying to launch media creation tool. Hello friends, this is the topic today. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method is run the media creation tool as an administrator. Go to the media creation tool, right click on it and select run as administrator. If the issue still persists, then enable TLS 1.2 and 1.3. Click on search, type inetcpl.cpl, click on the result. On the Internet Properties window, click on Advanced, scroll down. Over here, make sure that use TLS 1.2 and use TLS 1.3 are enabled. Make sure that both the options are checked. If they are unchecked, check them and click on Apply. Then try to launch the media creation tool. Disable proxy and VPN. The next methods are: if you are running any third-party VPN software, then uninstall it. Right-click on Start, select Installed Apps. Find the VPN software in the list if installed. To be fair, I have not installed any VPN software. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the third-party VPN software. Then click on three dots for that software and click on Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. If any uninstallation wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions to completely uninstall the software. After uninstallation, restart your computer. Then try to run the media creation tool. Disable proxy now. If it is enabled, click on Start, go to Settings, select Network and Internet, click on Proxy over here. Make sure that automatically detect settings is disabled. If it is enabled, then disable it. Close the settings app and check if the media creation tool works perfectly now. If the issue still persists, reset network. Click on search, type CMD, right click on the result, select run as administrator, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. Run these commands one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. In the same way, run the second line of command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Then check if the issue is solved. If the error code is still not solved, then you can bypass this method by installing Windows 11 using in-place upgrade. To perform in-place upgrade, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on download Windows 11, this link, scroll down to this section which says download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on the drop down and select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for x64 devices. This is for x64 devices. If your system is ARM64 based, then click on this link here and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Now select the product language. Check the language of your system. Click on Start, Settings, Time and language. Click on language and region. Windows display language is the product language. For me, it is English United States. Check yours and select the language here. Click on choose one and select the language. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, go to the download location. Right click on the just downloaded ISO file and select mount. Click on open on this pop-up. Right click on setup.exe and select open. Click on next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on accept. Finally, click on install. Let the installation complete. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.